Hey, what's up, you guys? So today we're going to do something that is actually a request. I recently did a review of a tablet manufactured by this company right here, Artisul. And I did a video, it's about 51 minutes long, and I reviewed the product and it was great. No big deal. So they emailed me back and said, "Hey, we like your video. It's a little long." Okay, I accept that. A little long. They wanted me to go ahead and do a speed paint of whatever, whatever I wanted to do, which is licensed to have fun. And I'm doing exactly that. So I'm going to sit down, sitting here at the desk, got the Artisul tablet in front of me, working on my Surface device, and we're going to go ahead into Photoshop. And there's not going to be any real time drawing today. It's just going to be a time lapse. So roughly about, I would say, maybe 3.5, 4 minutes. So stick with me. Today we're going to be working on a bird. You guys know that I love doing birds. And hopefully you'll get a little bit understanding of the process that I utilize whenever I create characters and stuff. So I might do a voiceover here and there, but mostly it's just going to be a time lapse. So hopefully you guys enjoy and stick with it, and we'll do a wrap up at the end. Okay? Thank you, guys.
Okay, so here we go. Working in Photoshop today. You guys know that I love working in Photoshop primarily because it is kind of like the industry standard. It's kind of like I don't know, like an old sweatshirt. Photoshop is an old sweatshirt, albeit an expensive one, but it is good. I've been using Photoshop for a long time, and I really have got a lot of muscle memory and history with Photoshop. So you're going to see me go in and out of Photoshop. You're going to see me utilize the brushes. I love the rendering engine, the brush engine in it. And of course, I've collected brushes over my 20 plus years of experience of illustrating and designing in Photoshop. So, yeah, I mean, it's so funny. It's very similar to Apple products. You know, you design something and you just slowly work out the kinks and whatnot, and that's exactly what Photoshop does every single time they do an update. The interface is basically the same, but of course, they don't want to upset their base. But yeah, Photoshop it is today. I will be dipping into Clip Studio Paint just because I happen to be a huge advocate for Clip Studio Paint. That is one of those products and software that a lot of people overlook because they are Photoshop loyalists, and they would miss out on some of the great things that Clip Studio Paint does. One of them, of course, is whenever you go to color in and put color into a piece, the AI that it has is just wonderful whenever you select things. And you'll see here in just a minute after I get through putting in the sketch and roughing in the sketch of the bird, I'll put in the color. I'm not going to talk the whole time, so hopefully it won't be too annoying that I'm just kind of doing an intro here for you guys in this drawing. Parrots. I love doing parrots. I love doing birds. I love just the character you can infuse into these drawings is just phenomenal. Right now I'm, again, ironing out the sketch and, putting in some of those little details that, give a little bit more oomph to the character and the illustration itself. I'm utilizing I get a lot of questions about the brush that I utilize for my main sketch brush. It is the Pastel C brush from Aaron Blaze, uh, his collection of brushes that he has on his website, creatureartteacher.com. And you can go there and sign up for the newsletter, and you get his brushes for free. So go over there. Again, that's creatureartteacher.com, and give him some love. I'm sure I'm going to get somebody else asking me about this brush, even though I just said what it was. Um, about the tablet, yeah, the tablet's great. Like I said, I did a review on it extensively, so I'm not going to go too much into it. But overall, just a great tool for you guys to utilize. Again, made by Artisul, Artisul, and this is the A1201, I believe, 12-inch tablet. Just a great tool. I didn't really have any issues with it. overall, and I haven't since I got it, so only time will tell, of course. But overall, it's great, and used it to do this piece as well as the other piece that I did in the demo. So I'm going to go ahead and stop yapping. You guys enjoy the music and the time-lapse process, and we'll do just a short wrap-up at the end. Okay? Thank you guys. Enjoy. Bye.
And that's where we landed with the speed paint. So I had so much fun this morning with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the process. This wasn't really designed as a teaching tool. I just wanted to show, show just some thought and some fun on this wonderful morning using the Artisul. Here we go. Artisul A1201 pen tablet. Lots going on the channel. Stick around. Like and subscribe, please, if you like what you see. And definitely, there's tons of stuff going on. Left shoulder. Gonna be doing some traditional drawing soon. Maybe some watercolor. I love doing pen and ink stuff. Watercolor and markers are my jam. So thank you guys once again for visiting the channel. Hopefully I didn't take too much of your time. And definitely go out and do something fun today, whether it's drawing, getting some of that wonderful sunshine on your skin. I love sunshine. It's because I don't get to go outside that much. Anyway, thank you guys once again, and we'll see you soon, okay? Bye.